Kamusta guys? Samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa nakakatuwang video na to. Ito yung video na galing sa Itbulaga. Yung showdown ni Daryl Shane Diandani at ni Karen Aistrup. Ito yung parehas silang Miley Cyrus. Si Daryl Shane Diandani yung isa sa contestant na clone ni Miley Cyrus. Ayan, panoorin natin kung gaano kagaling tong dalawa na to. Angas ni Karen, ano? Parang yung energy niya dito, parang ano yung parang palaban, hindi papatalo. Hawig niya talaga si Miley, no? Malaki yung pagkakahawig nila ni Miley Cyrus. Pero sa boses, sa tingin ko mas kaboses ni Miley si Daryl Shane. Never asking why we kissed, I fell under your spell of... Oh, di ba? Talagang timbre ni Miley Cyrus yung boses nito ni Daryl. No one could deny. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live a lie running. Isang kaboses ni Miley, isang kamuka. Ang galing ng title nitong video na to dito sa Itbulaga. Dalawang Miley. For my life, I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never read so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. Pero si Karen yung batang version ni Miley Cyrus, yung sa Hannah Montana. Ganun yung itsura niya eh. Pero ngayon iba na kasi, iba na yung datingan ni Miley Cyrus ngayon eh. All you ever did was break me. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never read so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was break. Pero maganda rin yung boses ni Karen. Mas malapit nga lang talaga yung timbre ng boses ni Daryl Shane. Yan, meron silang kanya-kanyang solo. Magaling pala mag-piano to, no? Si Karen. Talented. Everywhere and in the air like we don't care. Cause we came to have so much fun now. But somebody here might get some now. Oh, if you're not ready to go home. Total package. Singer, musikero. Tapos ang ganda pa. Can I get a hell no? Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. Alright, so we like to galing din ng mga dancer sa likod, yung mga backup dancers. Dancing with Miley, so we whatever we want. This is our house, this is our rules, and we can't stop. Eh no, kamukha talaga siya, no? Lalo pagka medyo side view. Batang Miley Cyrus. And we won't stop. Can't you see it's me all the night? Can't you see it's me about that life? And we can't stop. And we won't stop. We run things. Pati buhok. Idol na idol siguro nito ni Karen Aistrup si Miley Cyrus. Sa pormahan, sa talent. Kopyang-kopya. Don't run away, don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah. Somebody we can do what we want to. It's our house, we can love when we want to. It's our song, we can sing if we want to. It's my mouth, I can say what I want to. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Noong nakaraan pala may napanood akong video na napunta rin pala si Miley Cyrus sa Itbulaga. Pero matagal ng panahon yun.
Ooh, oh, that we got, and we can't stop, and we won't stop.
Energetic din to si Karen ano. Parang concert sa Araneta.
Can't you see it's me you want that night? Can't you see it's me you
Taas ng
about that
energy.
life? And we can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, don't run away. Don't take nothing from nobody.
Gaya niya rin yung style ni Miley Cyrus sa pagkanta. Pero para sa akin lang mas nalalapitan ako do sa boses ni Daryl Shane, Giandani.
Yeah, yeah.
Nagigitara pala to, si Daryl. Parehas sila ni Karen na talented, no? Hindi lang sa pagkanta. Meron ding alam sa pagtugtog ng instrumento.
Flowers in hand waiting for me. Every word in poetry won't call me by name. Only baby, the more that you give, the less that I
Ganda ng boses. Clone talaga. Tsaka meron pala nag-comment guys na ito pala si Daryl Shane Giandani. Umabot sa finals din. Hindi nga lang siya nanalo. Pero napakahusay niya kumanta.
need. Everyone says I look happy when it feels right.
Tsaka sumali na rin pala siya sa The Clash. Napanood ko iba niyang video doon. Husay niya talaga. Mahilig siya sumali sa mga contest, singing contest.
I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I dropped you down to your knees. 'Cause you said the misery
Magaling siya sa strumming.
loves company. It's not your fault I ruined everything. And it's not your fault I gave you what you need, baby.
Si Miley Cyrus ba marunong din tumugtog ng piano tsaka gitara? I-comment nyo guys sa mga nakakaalam.
I can't fly down there with me. Whoa, it's just like you can't fly down there with me.
Napakasmooth ng patapos, no? Grabe, napakahusay talaga ni Daryl Shane Giandani at Karen Aistrup. Sila na nga yata yung Miley Cyrus ng Pilipinas. Ayan guys, sana namang malupit na video ang ating napanood mula kina Daryl Shane Giandani and the clones ni Miley Cyrus at si Karen Aistrup. Ayan, napakahusay nitong dalawa na to guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong klase reaction video, mag-subscribe na kayo sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.